Hi, and welcome to the course Exploratory Data Analysis with Pandas and Python 3. My name is Mohammad Kashif, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you something about me. I completed my master's in data engineering from IIIT Delhi, and I'm currently working as a data scientist in Nine Leaps, India, dealing mostly with graph data over healthcare domain. I also enjoy debugging other people's programs and helping them out. You can even view my Stack Overflow profile for more information. So this is my handle for Stack Overflow at Mohammad-Kashif. I also have experience in teaching programming to undergraduate students as well. Now let's move on to the course overview. So the first section is descriptive statistics. So this will basically cover the basics of statistics and how to visualize them, how you can use them in real world scenarios. Then we'll move on to dealing with missing data. In this section, we'll discuss about the various techniques that we can use to identify missing data and impute them or deal with them based on the data set that we are exploring. The third section explores dealing with outliers. So in this section, we'll discuss what are outliers, how do you identify them, and what do you do with outliers once you identify them. Next up, we have univariate analysis, in which we'll discuss the different types of variables that you encounter in real world datasets and how you can visualize them using graphs and infer some meaning through them. Next, we move on to bivariate analysis, in which we'll try to visualize two variables at the same time, try to find correlation between them, use various statistical measures to identify any relation if exists between two sets of variables. Then we'll move on to multivariate analysis, in which we'll learn about various techniques of visualizing multiple variables at the same time, and also we'll discuss about some common pitfalls about correlations and Simpson paradox before moving towards the final section, bringing it all together, in which we'll take up a real world data set and apply all the techniques that we have learned previously on the data set. So the hardware requirements for this course: you should have an access to a computer with Windows, Mac, or any Linux based operating system. 4 GB RAM should be sufficient for this course, and storage size will probably be less than 1 GB. Software requirements. So you need to ensure that the following packages are installed on your system. So for this course, we have used Python 3.7, IPython package, Jupyter Notebook, or you can use any IDE of your choice as well, NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bokeh, and Pandas. Prerequisites for this course include basic understanding of programming concepts like loops, conditional statements, etc. And you should be familiar with Python syntax as well. If you have prior experience with NumPy and Pandas or Matplotlib, that would be really helpful as well. So some key features of the course that I would like to discuss before we move on. So this course will improve your fundamentals of descriptive statistics, and you'll learn how to apply them to real world data sets for analysis. Each section of this course explores one of the key measures for exploring any real world data set, and you'll apply the topics that you have learned over different real world data sets throughout this course. By the end of this course, you will master pandas and various data exploration and visualization packages in Python, and you will be able to apply your knowledge to any real world data set for exploratory data analysis. I hope that got you excited enough. So let's begin this course.